It's almost his turn.
Next up in the figure jacking competition, he's a local boy, so let's really hear it for Rocko!
Oh no! He's not wearing his glasses! Look out, everyone! He's visually impaired!
Oh, he's off to a nice start. This is a very ambitious routine for the young wallaby. And here's his first jump, a triple clutch, and he nailed the landing. And now he's going for the very difficult triple thumper doodler. And he's got it! He's got to be happy with that. Listen to the crowd show their approval. And he's finishing off with an inverted pebble maker. Nicely done. And here's his dismount. Wow! What a remarkable routine by the plucky little wallaby from O-Town.
Hey! He didn't maim anyone!
We now wait for the judges' scores. Wow, look at those scores! 9, 8.5, 9.5, and a 6. But that, of course, from the Transylvanian judge. But it's enough to give the regional championship to Rocko!
Wow, Rocko, that was great! How'd you do it without your glasses?
I didn't.
Huh? I don't get it.
I went back to the optometrist and got fitted for contact lenses. See?
Wow! Let me see. Cool.
Contacts, huh? That's what I wear.
Biff Benderhouse, you wear contacts too?
That's right, but only when I'm jackhammering. Otherwise, I wear these.
Why?
Because they make me look intellectual.
Hey, are you an intellectual?
See what I mean? Why, yes. Yes, I am. How can I help you?
Well, I have some questions about Nietzsche.
Well, I guess having glasses isn't so bad after all.
You know, Rock, maybe I should get some glasses.
You have problems with your eyesight?
No, I have problems not knowing who Nietzsche is.